The best music to sleep to. How anyone can fall asleep faster. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, but sometimes it can be hard to fall asleep. If you're looking for some new music to help you fall asleep faster, look no further. This article will introduce you to some of the best music to sleep to, so you can get the rest you need. Different types of music for sleep. There are all sorts of different types of music that can help you sleep better. Classical music is one option that many people find helpful. There are also pieces specifically composed to help you relax and fall asleep. Some people find that nature sounds or white noise can be soothing and help them drift off to sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, it might be worth trying out different types of music to see what works best for you. The benefits of listening to music before sleep. There are many benefits to listening to music before sleep. Music can help you relax and fall asleep faster. It can also help you sleep more deeply and wake up feeling refreshed. Listening to music before sleep can also be a great way to unwind from a stressful day. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, try putting on some soft, calming music to help you relax and drift off to sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, there are many different types of music to choose from that can help you fall asleep faster. If you prefer classical music, try something like Mozart's Ein kleine Nachtmusik or Bach's Air on the G string. For something a little more upbeat, try playing some soft rock or easy listening tunes. Nature sounds or white noise can also be effective in helping you fall asleep. Experiment with different types of music and see what works best for you. You may even find that certain songs become your sleep aids and help you get a good night's sleep every time you listen to them. How to find the best music for sleep. There are all sorts of different types of music out there that can be helpful for falling asleep. But how do you know which type of music is right for you? Here are a few tips to finding the best music for sleep. 1. Consider what type of music relaxes you. This can be different for everyone, so it's important to experiment with different genres and styles until you find something that works for you. 2. Make sure the music is calm and soothing. Upbeat or energetic music can actually make it harder to fall asleep, so it's best to avoid anything too lively. 3. Choose a song or album that you enjoy. If you don't like the music you're listening to, it's not going to be effective in helping you relax and fall asleep. So make sure you pick something you really enjoy. 4. Make sure the volume is relatively low. You don't want the music to be too loud or jarring, as this can also make it difficult to fall asleep. A good rule of thumb is to keep the volume at a level where you can still hear it, but it's not too overwhelming. 5. Experiment with different lengths of songs. The best music for sleep according to science. If you're struggling to fall asleep at night, you might be wondering what the best music for sleep is. According to science, there are certain types of music that can help you fall asleep faster and get a better night's rest. One study found that people who listened to relaxing classical music before bed fell asleep faster and slept more soundly than those who didn't listen to any music at all. Other research has shown that playing soft, calming music can slow down your heart rate and breathing, which can help you relax and drift off to sleep. So if you're looking for some sleep-inducing tunes, consider trying out some classical or soft music before bed. You may just find that it helps you get a better night's rest. Conclusion. There are a lot of different factors that can influence how quickly you fall asleep. But one of the most important, and often overlooked, is the type of music you listen to before bed. If you're looking for the best music to sleep to, we recommend trying out some of the tracks on this list. With their slow tempo and relaxing melodies, they're sure to help you drift off into a deep sleep in no time.